dumpster rental service in Vinings, Georgia. For reliable dumpster rental services in Vinings, Georgia, trust OnSite Environmental Services to meet your needs. Whether you're managing a home renovation, cleaning out a property, or handling debris from a construction project, our dumpsters make the process efficient and stress-free. We offer a variety of dumpster sizes to accommodate projects of any scale, from small home cleanups to large commercial endeavors. OnSite Environmental Services has the perfect solution. Our team ensures timely delivery and pickup, so you can focus on your project without worrying about waste management. Customer satisfaction is at the core of our service. We strive to provide flexible rental terms, competitive pricing, and exceptional support, making us a trusted choice for residential, commercial, and industrial dumpster rentals. Choosing OnSite Environmental Services means working with a locally owned company dedicated to keeping Vinings clean and sustainable. Our streamlined rental process and eco-friendly disposal practices ensure that your waste is handled responsibly, contributing to a greener community. Call us today at 470-507-3569 to reserve your dumpster and experience professional and dependable service. With OnSite Environmental Services, waste management in Vinings, Georgia, has never been easier.